Okay, I just thought I'd do a lesson on sustainability. So, long story short, we got orders for laptop sleeves. One's cream, one's camo. Now, I've cut the cream one out. That's all cut out. Here they are. So it's about, you know what I mean? I do treat the work good. So I've cut the cream one out. These are the panels for the cream one. Oh, and this one as well. So that's all cut out, and I've done the edges so they're all sharp and everything. But yo, when it came for the camo one, we have a roll of camo. This is what we reduced to now. I think we've got probably about 10 meters on that left over. But yo, I went into the scrap bin. Well, it's not a scrap bin. It's like a scrap box under the table there. Oh wait, it's the scrap drawer. So this is the scrap drawer where we fold up the fabrics and stuff, you know. So the scrap drawer, not a bin. I found camo. I already cut a square out, but yo, I found what would have been waste. Not bad. I've been able to squeeze out. Well, that's one panel already I've cut out. I can do the second panel, and I can do the side bit as well. So I literally almost saved it. And then I went into the scrap bin. God, got to stop calling it the scrap bin. And look what I found. I found the just enough to do the top binding edge of the laptop sleeve. So yeah, waste is not an issue here. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it's all about, sustainability, which is great. I don't know, man. It feels like a win this morning. You know what I'm saying? I've saved the business some money. Okay, quick update now. So here we have it. We have the two front panels. Well, one front, one back. Then we've got the binding at the top that goes on it, and then the side panel. So there you have it. I was able to get it all out. And here's the scrap. And just like that, it's all done. All finished, top stitching, nice in a row. I can't believe that this came from just one. The corners are pang and pang. See? Sharp corners, all sewn up, all ready to go. Yeah, but all this came from one scrap panel. So I'm actually quite happy with this. And here's the cream one, which turned out pretty nicely as well. It's great. I think I just need to iron it, just do a little pressing. But other than that, it's great. It feels so nice and comfy as well. The nice checkered line in there. And padded, of course. So yeah, those are the laptop sleeves ready to go. I'm so glad. It's like there's nothing the best feeling where you get to save money and make money at the same time. So I'm really grateful for this order and that one. But yeah, oh, I've actually saved the planet. It feels like this is sustainability, where you can turn the scrap into something practical and usable, and it's gonna last a very long time for somebody. So yeah, this is awesome.